I greet everyone who is watching the Sotnik TV channel at this moment. Today is May 13, 2024, Monday. All of our programs, as always, can be found on the Patreon resource. And here are their main topics. As previously expected, Putin replaced the Minister of Defense. The disgraced Shoigu was sent to replace Patrushev Sr. and became Secretary of the Security Council. Technically this looks like an increase, but practically Shoigu is cut off from making real decisions and is barred from access to financial flows. It may be a year later, but Prigozhin can celebrate victory in his cauldron. Regarding Belousov, who was proposed instead of Shoigu, he is absolutely not corrupt, says a source who knew Belousov for many years, and concludes, this will be very different from what we have now in the Ministry of Defense. Shoigu and everyone who surrounded him were very commercial guys, end of quote. That is, Putin, in all seriousness, set his sights on collecting money for a clash with NATO, and began preparing for the upcoming final Makach. It turns out that we were not mistaken when we assumed that the fifth cadence of the bald man would be the final one. Either he will push through the West and increase his influence. Red swamps on the European continent as a cave of horrors, or will kill the Apsthenu system. According to reports from the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, the Russians are intensifying attempts to attack in the Kharkov direction. According to various sources, on Monday morning the Russians attacked the border Volchansk with 5 battalions. The fighting continues. The paradise of the schematics can be uprooted. Raiffeisenbank is being forced to curtail its vigorous activities in the cave. But omnivorous commerce does not give up. Microsoft has not limited Russian IT companies' access to its software, although it promised to do so after March 20. Money doesn't smell. The first round of presidential elections took place in Lithuania. The current president, Gitanas Nausėda, is in the lead. In second place is Lithuanian Prime Minister Ingrida Šimonytė. The second round is ahead. Watch in the program, Postscript. The focus continues to be on the issue of disagreement between the United States and Israel regarding methods of combating Hamas. The prosecution's star witness, Michael Cohen, Trump's former lawyer and personal assistant, begins testifying Monday. Trump's hush money trial is reaching its final stages. And that's all for today. See our full programs on the Patreon resource. And I salute those who are becoming our patrons right now. Hug, everyone. See you on Wednesday. Glory to Ukraine.